Oh, let's see. I don't know what brought you here today. We're going to grab the lower handles. One minute of starting the old lawnmower. Halfway there. "15 seconds. And rest that shoulder. How do you feel like switching it up? Giving the other arm a workout. Grab the upper handle. Just come across the body, sitting up straight. And we'll go 1 minute. So I don't know what's brought you here today, this far into this video. Other days going good, bad. But I wish you strength today, and we should just do about 10 minutes a day to better health. Gosh darn it, I did forget to set my timer, didn't I? Okay, after this minute, I don't know, this pull down's pretty easy compared to the other ones. 10 seconds. I will set that timer for 10. Alright, there you go, that's a minute. And take a breather. Grab a sip of water. We're going to turn the other direction. So flip your chair around, face the wall. Starting with lawnmower. Our favorite exercise. That dang lawnmower just doesn't want to start. Unfortunately, like this body, feels like sometimes it don't want to start. But I think 10 minutes a day towards better strength. Oh, you know what? I need a place for this pad for my timer. I use these dry erase boards to keep track of all my notes. Because I have a heck of a time remembering things sometimes. So I write it down in multiple places. Okay, here's your head against the wall. Grab that lower handle. And 1 minute trying to start that winter lawnmower. Go. How's that other arm feel? Just keep pulling on that thing and it's going to start, right? How about you? This is not the easiest exercise in the world. So breathe deep, sit tall. Do the best you can. Because you got just 15 seconds left to go. 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. How's that feel? Shake it out a little bit. Stretch the arms a little bit.